Yes, hello guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. So, master the art of form of analysis with this website. So, in this video, I'm going to give you the benefit insights of how to predict or make your own analysis using this website. Based on using this website for a few weeks, I discover a loop which can actually help you predict more games by yourself, doing literally nothing, not to pick their preference prediction here, but rather pick games that will at the end give you value. Now take a look at their yesterday prediction. They predicted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Firstly, there is new updates about this website. The first thing to notice is first, they don't update results like this. Yes, but now they have started it. So we don't need to go back looking for things from any angle anymore. We just need to go directly to see how good they performed yesterday. Yesterday as 21st, they can see they predicted home team to win here, home team to win successful, home team to win, this place to home team to win, this place home team to win, home or draw ended in draw, and then this place over 1.5 also successful. Then here both teams to score goal and it fell. So Salzburg won with no mercy. So you see how good this game performed yesterday. Now we are talking about correct score. How do we perform or play correct score using this same strategy? Note, this is a full course that we are going to undertake using this website to predict or form analysis on our own. So let's go to today's predictions or the today tips that they've put up over here. Now the setup for this is Italy versus Pukas Academy, Italy to win. Liga and all of that. They predicted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 matches, right? They predicted 7 matches. Now to be on the successful side, you don't need to play all these 7 games. You only need to play nothing more than 5 games in this column. You need to play nothing more than 5 games in this column because it's going to be boza if you didn't take good care of it. So the first thing first is to I will also do my own research and all of that. Now clicking on this game, I will probably go for the home team to win, but let's look at something. If you go to flash score right here, then you look at this team, this is their game. Now make sure you go for head to heads, right? Go to their head to head performance. And so if you go to their head to head performance, the two of them, they have never met before. But the last 5 matches, home team won 3 times, away team won 2 times, and they are scoring 3-2, away win 1-0, 2-0, and then this. So that should tell you that the home team had the advantage of winning the game. But is that what we are looking for? We are looking for more loopholes that will give us the advantage. Probably you can use a flash score to predict good games. Yes, you can use the flash score to predict good game based on the odds that they give and all of that, right? Can use the flash score for that. And this is the second leg of the game. This is was Euro qualification final, right? Euro qualification final. So this match, home was predicted to win. And if you go back, you see they have a lot of predictions right here. So in my own sense, I will be picking up 5 games from here. I will also be leaving the link to the website in the video description for you to use, and then you understand the prediction more. Alright, so we have Florentina here versus Puka. So I'm going straight for Florentina to win, and then leave that one. Chelsea versus what? Servette. I'm just leaving Chelsea, and then I will be picking Maccabi Tel Aviv to go home or draw. Pleasant to go straight winning. You do great straight winning, and also this team also to go with straight winning. So with that, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then five predictions out of the 8. So that's how simple it is to predict game using this website. You need to make more research for yourself before picking any game. For example, now if I click on this one, take it to where to search something. I would like to use SofaScore. If it is not available there, but at least Flash Score is here there. So let me just click on it. So you see Focus Academy versus this team. Match is today, and then checking out their head-to-heads. Okay, you first of all need to check their head-to-heads if they have met 1-on-1 before, but since it's qualification, I'm not sure they will meet before. Focus Academy won their 4 last matches, well Florentina win 2, and their scoring accuracy is good, so over 1.5 is guaranteed for this game. Over 1.5 is guaranteed from for this game. Yeah, so that is just by the way. Now let's go back there. You can see Maccabi Tel Aviv, and then he's screwed. You can do some 1 or 2 research by yourself. Yes, I wanted to use SofaScore and show you something. So if you are using SofaScore, look at the odd range, right? Look at the odd range. Now, who will win based on whatever the goal expect rate. Now, this is why it is always good to use SofaScore for this, but their intents are like complicated. So this is it. Maccabi Tel Aviv head to head with 22nd, I guess, blah 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 blah. You can click on read more to get more insight, or just leave it like that. Okay, yeah, so going to check here, you can see when it comes to away team won 3 times, less than 2.5 goals, first team to score, and more than 4 cards. Okay, more than 4.5 cards. So this give you insight about the prediction to takes. Okay, prediction to take, and you can as well as vote if you think home team is going to win and all of that. You can vote for them right here. Turn on notification so that anytime these matches or this site update their game, you get to notify. So that's all I have for you guys there, and it has been long I update video. That is because I'm not really feeling well, but my VIP group members, I will be back fully for you today. Yes, I will be fully backed for you to tomorrow, which is Friday. Yeah, see you all in my next video.